Hey guys, welcome back, and today I have a very cool gadget for you Apple fans out there. And also this video is not sponsored by any means, so they have not given me a single penny to promote their product. So I'm gonna shut up here and let you guys enjoy the unboxing.
2,000 years later.
So moving on, just like me, you are also tired of carrying different cables for your different Apple devices. Well, this might sort it out for you. I hate carrying Apple Watch charger everywhere, even though I only charge it once in a day. But this 1 meter cable is not at all comfortable. Imagine my thing. I have to carry MagSafe charger for my laptop, lightning charger for my AirPods and my iPhone, and then carrying an Apple Watch charger to charge this Apple Watch. And for that only, I was searching online for a gadget that can help me solve this problem. And my criteria was very simple. I wanted this in a budget. And then I saw this Rager Arc 450. This came around 1500 rupees. I know it's gonna sound expensive, but look at the size of this thing. It's way better than carrying two cables. What excited me the most was the thing that you can charge both the devices at the same time. And my favorite setup usually used to be my Apple Watch and my AirPods. I usually used to charge both of the things at the night. This thing has this lightning cable in the back through which you can charge your iPhone, iPads, iPods, AirPods, basically any Apple portable gadget. And also, the quality of this cable is very amazing and sturdy too. I didn't feel like I was using a cheap Apple cable. So talking about the dock for the Apple Watch, but before that, you have to use this cable in this way. Like you have to take it out in this way and you have to put it back. Like there's a click you will feel. And the size of the cable is very good too. Like you can carry it everywhere. So moving on, talking about the dock for Apple Watch, it sits right there like a magnet. So any vibration or anything will not drop your Apple Watch from there. It will be there. And also, only thing that I don't like about this device is that it can only charge up to 5 watt. So no fast charging. You have to leave your devices for a good amount of time there to charge, which is a bummer from my opinion. I felt this is the best accessory for your Apple Watch because of that convenience. And also you can use this with anything like portable charger with your laptop, any USB adapter, and also this USB is reversible, so you don't need to get it right always. It can go either ways, which is a cool thing and is also very handy too. And also you can flip or take the USB out for your convenience, which is going to look something like this. So you can actually flip it through your laptop. You get my point. Now I can keep this with me every time and anywhere. It gets inside my pocket easily. I can use this in my car to charge my phone in emergency. So in short, you are carrying your Apple charger with you, which take care of all your Apple devices. And I felt like making a short video on it because this is a gadget that might be very useful for everyone. So I hope you all like this little video and subscribe for more. Until then, I'm AJ and I'm signing off. Bye bye.